Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Okay, trying to pull stuff around. This will be my food for Thursday, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And I'll pull Friday forward. This will be Saturday. This will be Sunday. And now I need to pull out the fourth day, which will be Monday. So I really need to start using these chicken breasts down here. So I'm going to start trying to remember to pull some out. So there's some chicken. And I'll pull out, I know what I'll do. I'm going to pull out 2 chickens. There's a method to my madness. Hang on. Sorry, I had an alarm go off. Anyway, so I'm going to pull out 2 chickens. What I'll do is, I'm going to take this up, divide that out by 2. So I'll put a chicken there and a chicken there. So I can start kind of eating more chicken. Just because I got so much of it, I need to use it. So what I say, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday needs a egg casserole. And I'll grab one of these yogurts. So I'll put that right there with it. So there we go. That's my follow-up. So now let's come over here and figure out what we're going to do tomorrow. So I was really craving a salad today, but I didn't have one. So by George, tomorrow I'm having one. I don't know what I've got in here. Ground beef. I think that's the veggies. And that's some kind of... Ooh, I think that's beef. That's some... I think that's maybe ribeye that I made the other day. I don't know what it is, but I think that steak deserves a salad with it. That's just ground beef. I'll figure out what to do with this tomorrow night. So I'll put this in the refrigerator. When I look at that, I'm like, oh yeah, that's ground beef. So I'll know what I'll do something with this tomorrow, and then I'll have these veggies with it. Because it's that same old broccoli, cauliflower, and asparagus. So hold on. I'm going to think and hope that when Terry cooked this, she put some seasoning on it. Let's see. Yeah. I taste salt on that. So, all right. Where's my lunchbox? I got a song stuck in my head. I don't think I heard it on the radio, but I've been hearing, Doctor, Doctor, can't you see I'm burning, burning? Oh, Doctor, Doctor, is this love I'm feeling? Come with me, something to see. We will something through eternity. Oh, hang on, I need to grab an apple. Y'all, there was some serious technical issues. I don't know what happened. I was just talking and singing, and it was recording, and then I looked, and that section was gone. So I will just update you. I made a salad, and then I set up my coffee, and I had my lunchbox filled. But most importantly, you missed me singing. Doctor, Doctor, can't you see I'm burning, burning? Oh, Doctor, Doctor, is this love I'm feeling? We shared that moment together, me and you. We even asked Alexa who the singer of that song was. We talked about, we wondered whether it was Depeche Mode singing that song. We were wondering, we had a bonding moment, you and I. We didn't know if that was Depeche Mode or Tears for Fears. We knew it wasn't Duran Duran. And we even talked about that song. Oh, I'm so sad. We really had a bonding moment going there. And I made my salad. And I finished off my Walden Farms Thousand Island, and I even added some water to it to get it all out of the thing. And we used a little bit of this Skinny Girl poppy seed. We used some of our cocktail onions. We used some of our pickled red onions. We used some of our roasted red bell peppers. And I even fussed at you and told you, don't come at me in the comments if there's some ingredient that's bad in there, because I don't care. I even told you all that. I explained to you that I don't care. And yet, it's all gone. All gone. Well, Craig, you just might get your 12-minute video. We will see. Okay, bye. And we bonded over coffee. The fact that my coffee, I've been drinking cold coffee at work, but I can't do that anymore because inside my office is 72 degrees and I freeze my balls off. Well, I already froze them off. I done froze my balls off. And so now it's at 72 degrees. It's ridiculous. 62 or 72 in the building when it's 111 outside. So I can't drink my cold coffee anymore because it makes it too cold. So we bonded over that. And then we were laughing and talking about different bands from the 80s. And I was even complimenting Lori F&M Lifestyle. I was complimenting, I'm watching her tonight, and she's got on her Steve Miller shirt. We bonded over that. You all, we had a lot of good laughs. We had some tears. It was good times, and I'm so sorry that all of it didn't get recorded. I don't know what happened, but either way, that's that, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. This morning, I'm just having my yogurt. I know I've got my eggs down there. It is 8:30, and I'm working on a report today, and I'm not exactly starving. And so I'm just going to have this yogurt for now. But if I end up eating my eggs or something later, I will let you know. By the way, I whacked around on my hair for me and just kind of light and airy and fun. So I shortened up these layers and shortened up the length a little bit. So I just kind of whacked around on it until I got it how I wanted it. So we'll see. But I wanted to make it my own. You know, I felt like it was a little too much like a mullet, which is cute on younger people. But anyway, so I kind of whacked around on it, and that's how I'm wearing it. Okay, see you when I eat something next. You know why I love you guys? Because of the comment section. Whenever I was complaining about forgetting my spoons, several of you all said, Terry, just take some spoons to work and leave them there. So I did. And if any of you watched me make up my lunch or my stuff last night, you might have seen that I forgot to add some spoons or a spoon for today. So I happen to have one behind me. Well, actually, I have two. So now I've got this one. And so then there'll be one left. So I'm going to have to remember to bring in another one. But thank you to those of you who told me that I needed to bring a spoon to work. So that's what I did. And it bears. And that is why I have my good big spoon. Anyway, so lunch today is some ribeye. Oh, it's onion and mushrooms and ribeye. I love Terry of the past. I'm going to take this moment and celebrate Terry of the past. Girl, when you're editing this, I'm telling you, Terry, thank you. Holy smokes. Oh, I'm telling you, there's just nothing like steak and onion and mushrooms, and I could eat that every day. I can't afford it every day, but I eat it every day. I just want to savor that. Okay, now, my salad. Man, that's so stinking good. And I've got my salad that I made up. I know this will be good. Yeah, buddy. All right. So that's my lunch day. You hear that? Listen. Hear it? That's them angels singing. Clouds are opening up, and I can hear them. They're singing, steak, onions, mushrooms, and a salad. It don't get no better than that. Okay, bye. So here's a little insight into, like I said, I haven't decided fully what I'm going to do, about the hunger thing. So this morning, I just had the yogurt. And then at lunchtime, come at 11 o'clock, I was like starving. And which I ate my food and I was fully good and everything. That was at 11. It's now 2 o'clock and there is motion, not noise, but something that goes on in my stomach. And logically, I know it's digestion because there was a lot of meat and fat and vegetables, so I know that it's processing it all, and it's gonna process it all, and that's just how a body is designed to work. But my frontal brain feels that sensation and thinks it's hunger. You didn't eat very much for breakfast, so you probably need to go eat your egg casserole, so that way you're not too short of calories. So that's the kind of mind games that my brain plays. So like I said, I still haven't figured it all out, but that's why I might have to do something like, I'll wait at breakfast until I'm hungry and then eat lunch and supper at a scheduled time. I don't know. I might just I'm still going to eat 3 meals a day. I'm not going to just go to 2 meals a day. I think the only time I'll do 2 meals a day is if I'm doing a week of carnivore. I feel like that's a good time to do it. Because then I'll be getting the same calories, but just in 2 meals a day. But I do feel like it would be good for me to learn, because this feeling that I have right now, it is similar to how it was earlier when it was, not quite 11. And I was like, I'm dying. I'm hungry. There was hunger going on in my stomach. But now this digestion thing, it feels like hunger. So that's why I say it will be whatever I do, whether it's just 1 meal a day, I'll get to wait till I'm hungry. So let's say breakfast, I wait until 9 o'clock until I'm hungry, and then eat scheduled at lunch and supper. Until I get used to that, and then maybe another day, maybe after a couple weeks, maybe eat my breakfast when I'm hungry, and then try to wait till my stomach's hungry at lunch. But my brain, I cannot tell the difference right now in what's going on inside my stomach versus how it was earlier when I was really hungry. Like I said, logically, I know this is digestion and I'm not hungry. I know that, but it feels, my brain interprets this movement as hunger. So that's why I say, I would love to be able to learn and try to wait until I'm hungry, but I would still have my 3 meals a day, because I'm not trying to lose any more weight. I'm not trying to do anything funky. I feel like I'm at a good weight. I don't want to mess with that. I just would like to learn what the difference is between hunger and digestion. So like I said, right now, I'm feeling that, and I'm like, is that hunger? What is that? Oh, maybe I better go heat up my eggs. Maybe I better eat my eggs. Oh my goodness, is that hunger? Is that thirst? Maybe I need to drink some more. So that's just the mind games that I talk about when I say I have mind games from doing things like that. So I would like to eventually not have those mind games. So, okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Supper tonight is my ground beef And I actually added one of the dog's fat bombs to it. I'm just gonna, I don't know, sometimes just go with what you're thinking. So I'm gonna use some of my paprika. And, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna use some of my za'atar seasoning. That new one that I just got yesterday. I'm gonna do a pinch. I don't really know how it's gonna work yet. So we're just gonna try it. And I want some salt, just some good old salt. Alrighty, so I'm gonna microwave that. And then I'm gonna microwave, this is the broccoli, cauliflower, and asparagus. This is the end of it. So I'm gonna microwave this and I'll be back. Alright, let's see what this tastes like. It's just some fun seasonings. And like I said, I added that extra fat in there. I don't know why. I just wanted it. So I put it in there. So let's see what we think. Ow. Might have to set this back down, let it cool a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, let's try this again. It's a fun flavor. It's that za'atar. Very earthy. Kind of got a little twang, not lemony, but almost like a little zesty taste. I can't really tell. But it's good. But hot. And then our vegetables. So, there we go. Tuggy. I'm not sure how you pronounce your name. But anyway, so yeah, got that. And then this weekend, a couple of you all have sent me some other seasoning blends that you all like. Shawara. I don't remember what it is. I'll say it this weekend, but one's Moroccan, one is something else. And so I'll make those up this weekend. Sometimes I don't want a big old conglomerate of sauces and stuff. Sometimes I just want to be a little on the plain side and not have a bunch of extra stuff. And that's kind of the mood I'm in today for whatever reason. But I did want that extra fat. Again, I'm not really sure, but I'm craving it, so I'm putting it on there. Okay. I will see you I'll see you in the next video. Bye.